Hello, thank you for joining me for this new and exciting tips tutorial on the Sengso Platypus version 3. Let's get started. So last time we solved the orange center all the way around like that. We have the white side also solved. This was part 1. We did this part 1. This was part 2. Now part 3 is we're going to solve both of these sides together. So this is the last part of how to solve, like exchanging, and that's what we're going to do is be exchanging pieces from the top to the bottom. So first part, what we want to do is we want to put in these purple triangles down here. So we'll start with that. We already have 2 in right here, so we'll drop one down from the top here. You just drop it down, bring it around. Oop. Like that, and then you bring it back up. Yeah, make sure when you're doing that, bring it back up because you could take some pieces out from the other parts if you already have you already have 1 or 2 sides solved. Okay, so we'll do another one. We'll do this one here. So we'll bring this one around on the top to the right side. We'll drop it down here. Bring this around where there's an empty space like that and bring it back up. We got one more on top, so we'll bring it around to the right side here. And what we'll do, because you can't exactly put it in like that, so we'll bring this piece down here to the right side like that. So then we exchange pieces. So we'll bring this down. Bring it down. Bring it around. And bring it back up. And then we got one more. Same thing, we'll bring it to the right side. We'll bring it down. Bring this around. Bring it back up. So we put in all our little purple triangles all the way around. Okay, so the next part, what we want to do is, let's see here. We got purple and red on top. So maybe what we'll do, actually we have purple and yellow in place. It just happened to be like that. But I'm going to show how to do this because just so you know exactly how to do this stuff. So what we do is this purple and red right here needs to come right here because the yellow's on this side like this. It's got to drop right here. So we're going to do this algorithm to drop this down into place. Do it where the free range is right here, free side. Okay, so we'll do R, U, right invert, up, right, then we'll bring it back, up invert 2, right invert. So now it's in. So let's see, we'll do the next one, which is purple and red. Same thing, we'll bring it around, and we just got to bring this up like that. Right here, because it goes right here, so we'll do the same algorithm. Right, up, right invert, up, right, up invert 2, and we drop it down. It's in. Then we bring the next one, which is right here. Should be green. So we'll swing it around here. Put the purple and green here so we could drop it into place here. Because the other green's right here, so we got to match it. So we'll do the same algorithm. Right, up, right invert, up, right, up 2, right invert. Okay, so we dropped it in. And our purple side is solved. So that's exactly how you do that part. Let's check this. Well, actually, this part's solved. How crazy is that? Because there's another algorithm for this to solve the top, because you're going to have on the top, you're going to have different combinations. Like an example, you'll have 2 blues And then these pieces will be switched, like the red will be right here, the yellow will be right here. So, pieces will be switched like that, like this. So it just happened to solve that way. I've already solved this maybe about 6 times, maybe 7. And I've never had this happen before. So it's pretty pretty crazy that it just fell into place like that and it worked. But I'm happy for that. So yeah, that's good. At least I showed how to drop that, and then it solved this side too. So what I'll do tomorrow, which is Saturday, I'll do a tutorial how to solve this upper face, because I'm gonna show the different combinations on here for the other algorithm, because you're gonna get these cases once you're solving the last 2 sides. Like once you solve this, you're gonna have different combinations up here. I've encountered it, quite a few times. I practiced it a lot. So, but yeah, that's great. It worked out like that. Very happy. So our Sengso Platypus version 3 is all the way solved. It's actually solved. So I'm very happy for that. And yeah, thank you for joining me for this tips tutorial on the Sengso version 3 Platypus. Yeah, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I will be happy to answer you. And it's Friday night here in Chicago. I have my Arizona iced tea, RX Energy, and I'm loving it. I don't have my coffee tonight. I already had a couple cups today. I had McDonald's, I had Burger King, couple coffee. I had a couple coffees today, so I have a refreshing iced tea for Friday night. So yeah, thank you very much for joining me. I really appreciate your time. And like I said, if you have any questions or comments, drop them below and I will reply to you. I promise you that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. And happy Friday, everyone. Have a great night.